Our company, we take consignment luxury goods from consigners and we list them on the marketplace to sell them. A lot of the things that we were solving were around that two-sided marketplace. One of the biggest challenges we faced was moving from the specific to the general in our training and serving pipelines. So we started building ML solutions at The RealReal about 3 years ago. So starting on year one, it was all about getting business value as quickly as possible. We had to prove ourselves in some ways to get that value out quick. And we were able to scale up the team due to a lot of the impact we gave to the business. But we still need to grow out of some of the old practices that made sense when the team was 1/3 the size it is today. And we want to go faster. So a little bit of background is we took this microservice approach to building out our ML services. Each service is independent from other projects, so it had a lot of advantages. It could scale independently, it's isolated, you didn't need to coordinate deployments, et cetera. Some of the disadvantages is that we had a lot of commonality between these different projects that weren't centralized, and we had slightly different implementations. So for example, breaking down the training pipeline into some common units such as data acquisition, data validation, pre-processing, training, evaluation, pushing. Each team having a separate code base would implement these a bit custom with classes inside their own microservice. So when zooming out to the whole team, our code wasn't as dry as we thought. We did repeat ourselves a little bit. To be even more specific about this, we really only had 2 places we would get data from for our computer vision and tabular models. So we shouldn't have more than really 2 implementations of this. So we thought we could do better. So we started the journey from moving from the specific to the general by setting up this common repo, breaking down the individual steps of the training pipeline into their own microservices that all teams can customize with configuration instead of code. So there's just one implementation to pull the data, for example. So when a new project starts up, they don't have to build this step of data acquisition in their pipeline custom. They can just pull this off-the-shelf component and hook it up. So the vision is we'll pull all these off-the-shelf components, string them together to get a scalable, secure pipeline quickly. And we're on that path now. We hope to make these pipelines quick, maintainable, and secure when all things are common and shared.